back to Colosso Breaks. Today we're doing a box break review of 2024 Panini Prizm WWE. Looking for that ultra rare color blast in Prizmania, I think. Oh, I'm sorry, WrestleMania parallels up to 40. I don't think Prizmania is here, is it? No, it's just the ultra rare color blast. Really tough to find, but yeah. Let's see what we get. Got a few of these. No more Panini wrestling, since that went to Tops. Still cool. Pick out some of these cards here. Something interesting, hopefully. Corey Jade. Braun Strowman. Suka. J.D. McDonough. Godfather. Kofi Kingston. The Sandman. Terry Funk. Paul Heyman. Terry Funk again. Double Terry Funks. This one's the red. That numbered. Oh, nice. Stone Cold Steve Austin with the blue. This is nice. 183 out of 199. That is a nice one. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Nice. 83 out of 199. All right, that's a nice one. A little blue. Blue Prizm. Got a WrestleMania Moments, Undertaker. Good start. Reese, MVP. Charlie Dempsey. Oro Mensa. Theory, Triple H. Just Ford. Kind of Chance. Race. Earthquake, Refractor. There's our auto. First auto. Boom. It's a Bianca Belair. Champion Signatures. Not numbered. It's a Bianca Belair. Corey Jade. Jay Uso. Thea Hale. Riley Osborne. Miles Blunt. Rico Vlarkey. Pete Dunne. Ava. Coffee. Earthquake again. Manga. Refractor. Maxine Dupree. 51 out of 499. There we go. WrestleMania Moments, Becky Lynch. Manga again. Dexter Loomis. Nick Aldis. Cisco Sid. Dijak? I don't know. Becky Lynch, I don't know who that was. Liv Morgan. Mella. X-Pac. Otis. Got an orange of Loomis. 30 out of 99. Almost. That's how you say it. Roman Reigns. Randy Orton. Muda. Undertaker. Diesel. Braun Breaker. Easy Dame. Hanka. Blair. Lola Vice. Again. Nice. Tiffany Stratton with the red. 183 out of 299. Tiffany Stratton. Nice. All right. WrestleMania Moments Ultimate Warrior. Dirty Dominic Mysterio, Kane, Eddie Guerrero, Sami Zayn, Brother Love, Odyssey Jones, Dude Love, Dakota Kai, Paul Heyman with the red. Got a 483 to 499, Sami Zayn. Prismatic Entrances, Batista. Carmelo Hayes, Angelo Dawkins, Jericho Jackson, Tank Ledger, Kevin Owens, Warren Sinclair, so let's see, Miss Fallon Henley, Lyra Volriga, Refractor, got a Pete Dunne, 317 of 499. Prismatic Entrances, Bret the Hitman Hart. Gunther. Channing Stacks Lorenzo. Bronson Reed. Come Roman Reigns, nice. Miss Elizabeth, Garmin Petrovich, Wesley, Scarlett, the Sandman. Ooh, nice. We got a red Rhea Ripley. That's 123 to 299. Rhea. Take that. It's a nice one. WrestleMania Moments. Ultimate Warrior makes history with Fab Finish. Ultimate Warrior. Nice. I do the Hogan leg drop delivered by the splash pin. Both titles, nice. Zoe Stark, China, Paul Erling, Lumic, Ultimate Warrior. What a cool Ultimate Warrior card. Terry Gordy, Kent Shamrock, these are done. Diamond Dallas Page, sick. Pete Dunne. Yokozuna, I think I have this one. 44 to 49 with the Yokozuna. Ripley. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I think we got the auto. And Shireen. Rizzo. Solo. Nivian. Judas Creed. Sean Belinda. Candace LeRae. Chase. Nile. Ava. Ooh. Acom? 25 out of 49. I don't even know who this is. Essential Signatures. 49. Rumble Performances China. That Stone Cold at the beginning, I guess, was nice. Dart, LA Knight, Needle, Bailey, Ali, CM Punk, X, Jimmy Uso. There's a Charlotte Flair, nice. Oral, Mensa, 198 or 499. Nice looking card. Prismatic Entrances, Rey Mysterio. Johnny Morano. There's Creed. Lex Luger. Last pack here. Emo Sky. The Rock. G Styles. William Regal. American Nightmare. Nikki Cross. Joe Coffey. Got a Naomi. 207 out of 299. Naomi. And a refractor of Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio has his golden moment. All right, that was the box break of 2024 Panini Prizm WWE. If you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.